So I'm gonna unbox the new bag that I have. It's just a small bag, but I've been wanting to have one. It's a long time, and let me show you the bag. My Chanel bag. It's a bag. It's a purse. It's a purse. So I tried to find this on their website and in store in Hawaii, but they don't have it. And then one day, last month, my sister went to Japan and asked her to look for it, and they found it. They found it, even though it's not the gold that I want, but it's silver. I think I'm okay with silver too. So this is the bag. This is the receipt that my sister bought in Japan. Very cute, and this is the bag. Wow. So I'm gonna open it now. It's not the bag, the purse, the wallet. Is that just a wallet? A card holder, yeah. Card holder. Now is the right one because the bag is not this small. And plus the Chanel is always so expensive that it's hard to get. I mean, like one day I'm gonna get one bag for myself, but maybe this is what I'm gonna get now. It's just a little something because I like it. So I open it and let's see the bag. Oh, not yet. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. I've been waiting for this moment for so long, even though it's just a card holder, but it's like a perfect sign. And I saw some people, they recommend that you can put there's a burgundy inner fabric. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really nice, and it's have quite a big space for a lot of cards. And then this is a silver elements on top, so everything is silver instead of gold. I was intended to ask for gold, but this is the last one that they have, so I decided to get it. In the back they have a little card holder too, so you can put other card in, and it's really nice. It's that make in French in here, and it's Chanel. So some people recommend that I should buy the the card insert with a little chain, so you can wear it at a little purse. A purse with change. So I bought it, guys. At first I bought a gold one because I thought one day I'm gonna get the gold for sure. But silver is okay. I'm happy with the silver, how it turned out. And so I have to buy a new one for the silver card holder. So basically this is like a insert in between the bag with a little two holes, so you can add the chain in there, and it's have the adjustable strap. It have this nice heavy weighted, and it is adjustable, so you can wear it anywhere. You can use this at a like everyday wallet, go shopping, hang out with friends. You don't have to bring a lot, so I just insert it in the middle. Oh my god. Perfect. I have to adjust on this side. So it's gonna looks like this. and it's gonna go on like this. You see? Wow, it's like a perfect bag. I need to move it a little bit longer, so it's adjustable. Just gonna move it down. Wow, so cute. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment, and let me know too if you guys already have a Chanel bag that you like and use it for all the event, and show me pictures. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I only have little to show, but maybe in the future, who knows, I will have more to show you guys, more new bags that I'm gonna invest in. So here you go, my first Chanel card holder, mini teeny tiny bag on the chain. This is an extra things, but I'm gonna use it more often since I have it now. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.